Hey, what's up guys? If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita, and so for today's video I thought about doing some Instagram guidance through apps that I normally use. So I asked you guys on Instagram, and basically everyone said that they want me to show how to use the apps that I use and how I edit my photos and everything. So the first app I think everyone knows. I call it VSCO, VSCO, I don't know what you call it. But basically this is the app that everyone uses. It's just like a starter kit. And so you have here a lot of pictures. You can just click on the plus and just add. I'm going to use this photo as a reference. So then I'm going here to these like two bars with two circles, and this is where you edit your photo. And I have a preset done. If you click here on the arrow back, here I have my preset, but I can change like to any other pre-made presets that they have here. But then I can change the exposure and everything else, the sharpen, blah, blah. And so yeah, I'll just save it, and then here on the three dots I'll save to camera roll with the actual size. And that's what I usually do on this app. And yeah, basically after saving you just have your photos as usual. Then I have the Lightroom. This app, I think it's free, like the app itself is free but the account is not. I don't know if you can have like a free account for mobile version. So here I have my presets. I have a lot of presets, as you can see. I usually now I'm just going for here definitivo, final, final one, and final. Then I just change the lights, where the exposure works, the contrast and everything. And basically then I click here and I just save to camera roll with the maximum available image size. Then I have this app that is called Unum, I would say. This is where I plan my Instagram feed. I don't really use it, but yeah, I was trying to do something cool with this. So let me just turn on the internet to update this app, because it connects to your Instagram, and so you will know like how your feed is going so far, and then just plan with more photos. Then you can just swap photos. For example, I want to swap this. Then you can add more, or you can export. And yeah, this is a really cool app. And then I have Kuni Cam, which is this app. I really like it. So basically you have a lot of presets that were done, and this is kind of like the VSCO and everything. It works the same. You have here the preset. I usually go for the KJ one, like the first one, because this is the same as the Kuni Cam. I don't know the app, but the one that has the dates and the effects. So here you can do the same effects, the same filter, and then just apply some light and dust. So I really... Oh, and also you can do this 3D effect, which I think is super cool. The 3D plus glitch is pro, so yeah. As like for a free app, you can use a lot of stuff, and that's what I like this app the most. I usually go for the MI filter. I really like it, and yeah, that's basically it. Then you save it, and you are ready to go to the Instagram and upload it. Then I also have for Insta Stories the Unfold app. This is the app that everyone uses. It's just like the 101 Insta Story class. It's to use Unfold for stories, you have a lot of like layouts and stuff. They're free, which is very nice. And then you can just type anything, you can change the layout, you can add some photos, and yeah, like it's very nice. But lately I found that this app has some limitations, and so I've changed it. I also found Prequel, the app, very useful for Insta stories because it has these cool vintage effects that I really like it. I use it to edit photos and Insta stories, and yeah, I don't know if you recall to see on my Instagram this type of editing, but basically this is the photo that I'm editing. I just choose one, or you can take it like from life. The one thing that I don't like this is because it has like watermarks once you export it. I had to kind of manipulate this app by taking a screenshot of my screen and then upload it. It was just a mess, but basically you choose your photo. You have here a lot of effects. This one is the one that I use on my Insta stories, but the one that I use to edit my photos, it's not in here, it's on the filters, and it's Lapland, and I use the second or the first one. Then for Insta stories, you can just shoot, for example, yay, I'm recording, and you can add music and everything, so which is pretty awesome. I would just go to trends, and then I'll have here the trendy setup thingy. I would use this one, but then again it will have like watermark because it's not a like 100% free app, and so I had to put, for example, on the Insta story I usually put the name of the song on top of the watermark or something like that, and I really like this app. Then only for Insta stories I have Nichi as well. This is a really cool app that I discovered lately. It was kind of long ago, but you know. And where you can just create your templates or use templates that are already done, and you can change a lot of stuff, and you can use a lot of like frames for the pictures, which I found to be very nice and like comes in handy whenever you're just doing some, you know, Insta story editing work. And you basically can scale your pictures, change the frames, and this is not 100% like free, but it's pretty much, you can do a lot of stuff with just the free version, which I really like it. You can add text as well, and this text is just so cute. And so yeah, the other ones. Then I am in love with this app that is called Mojo. For me, that I'm a YouTuber, I need to kind of promote my work, and so it's very nice to just attract people to your Insta stories. So you have here just kind of layouts, and pretty much of them, like not all of them, but a lot are free, and so you can use it and edit as your own. So yesterday I uploaded a YouTube video in which I used this app to just promote, and basically it can like, it animates everything. You can animate the photos, you can animate the text, and you can also, if you see by this, put the link in the bio thing or just a random text, and I think that is pretty awesome. And the fact that you can basically do everything with a free account, I really like it. And that's it. I really hope you guys like it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!